Hi, I'm Sarita. Today we are going to take a closer look at how design principles actually work. In this video, we'll be checking out 5 different interior design firms and exploring their work through the lens of design principles. So, let's get started. Here we have the work of Studio Lotus, an interior design firm from New Delhi. On this slide, we can see 4 different pictures showcasing their interior design projects. In the first picture, the staircase immediately stands out. The emphasis is on the design and color of the staircase handle, along with a unique curved centerpiece placed in the middle. In the second picture, we can observe asymmetrical balance along with a contrast in patterns and textures that bring variety to the space. In the third picture, there is a clear contrast in shapes. The straight lines of the bed frame are balanced with the oval shapes of the hanging lights. And finally, across the overall design, especially seen in the fourth picture, we notice the repetition of lines, which creates rhythm and harmony in the space. Here we have the work of Renaissance, an interior design firm from New Delhi. On this slide, we can see images of their projects, which are mostly commercial spaces. Their design approach places a strong emphasis on color. They often pick one prominent color and use it throughout the interior, creating a bold emphasis that immediately catches the eye. Along with this, they use tactile textures that add depth and richness to the spaces. We can also notice the repetition of shapes and colors, which helps create harmony and rhythm across the design. Now let's look at the work of Dipen Gada Associates. This is project 1 from their portfolio. In the first picture, we can see how they have created emphasis through texture, making the entrance visually striking. In the second picture, the contrast in shapes is very clear. The use of lines combined with circular elements brings in harmony and rhythm. Moving to the third picture, we notice the creative use of lines in different forms and patterns, which continues all the way to the fourth picture as well. Throughout this project, they have used white as the dominant color, balanced with natural wood and small colorful accents. This combination creates emphasis through color while still keeping the overall design elegant and calm. As in their previous project, we can see that Dipen Gada Associates have applied the same design principles, but with a different look and feel. Here, they use a balance of white and grey tones combined with natural wood, along with small colorful accents throughout the design. When we look across their portfolio, a consistent theme emerges. The combination of white, grey, and wood appears in many of their projects, creating a signature style that feels both modern and warm. This project is by Anagram Architects. In this slide, the first 2 images show residential spaces, while the last 2 are commercial interiors. In the first picture, we notice emphasis on a specific design element, the large black stone structure at the entrance, which immediately draws the eye and creates movement. In the second picture, the contrast in shapes is highlighted through the clean use of lines and forms. Moving to the third picture, emphasis is created through color. The bold orange tones stand out and provide a striking contrast. Finally, in the fourth picture, emphasis is achieved through isolation. The large orange letter F on the wall becomes the focal point, contrasting against the grey surroundings and making a strong visual statement. Our last design firm is Art. I personally find their work very interesting because of the variation and creativity they bring into their projects. This project is a great example of the design principle of rhythm. When elements are used repeatedly with variation, they create a sense of organized movement, and we can clearly see that here. There is also a strong contrast in color, and the repetition of amoeba-like flowing lines across different parts of the design gives the space both harmony and uniqueness. With this, We come to the end of our analysis of design principles across different interior design firms. We explored how each firm applied emphasis, contrast, repetition, balance, and rhythm in their unique way. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation gave you a clearer understanding of how design principles work in practice.